Good afternoon. I am the Oklahoma Tomcat coming to you from Adair, Iowa. Today, I'd like to show you how you can make a real easy soup right here in a truck. Now, it's a real easy recipe, but with winter or fall coming around and flu season and colds that'll be popping up, and of course we are still dealing with COVID. I figure that this here will come in real handy for truck drivers in particular, but can also be used at home for bachelors, and people who can't really cook too well or don't have the means to. This is just 1, 2, 3 combination of things put together. And for me, I'm going to be using a rice cooker, which is good for heating up soups and stews and stuff like that. And that's all you need, just something to be able to heat it up. You use those lunchbox cookers with the foil pans, whatever you might have. But one thing that I do now, the reason I'm showing this, of course you can go into Walmart and buy soup, or in truck stops. A lot of truck stops, well, some truck stops will have soup. Pilot, Flying J. Here's the problem though. Unfortunately, a lot of soups are very high in carbs. They have rice, pasta, a lot of stuff in it that I say is not good, especially if you have diabetes. You don't want to be eating this stuff, and if you're like me, you can go through a lot of soup, and if it's got rice, pasta, or the sauce has carbs in it itself, then you can quickly raise your blood sugar real quick. One of the things I do, now to me these are like the greatest things in the world. They are riced veggies, and Walmart has a wide variety of them. And what it really is rice cauliflower. That's what it is. For me, is the greatest thing ever invented. And it's amazingly good. Cauliflower you can blend with a lot of stuff, and it'll actually take on the flavor of whatever you're mixing it with. So it works really, really great, and it's very good for you. Whole lot better than rice itself, which contains no vitamins, no minerals. It is just a filler food. So I stay away from rice. Just no value in it. All it's designed to do is fill you up, raise your blood pressure. Blood sugar, and that's it. So I'll put rice cauliflower in it, and then I add some vegetables. And chicken broth. Now, if you can, are able to can up your own broth, that's the best thing to do. If you buy some, try to get low sodium or no sodium. If you buy a canned stuff, and then I add chicken. It is best to actually buy chicken and tear it apart, and then you can put it in jars, put it in the refrigerator, or if you home can, all the better. If you buy canned chicken, now a lot of canned chicken I see are good, but be sure to read the label. You don't want dextrose added. There's no reason for dextrose to be added to it. make sure you're just buying chicken. You know, do not. I highly recommend that you do not get chicken patties or chicken tenders. It's definitely not chicken tenders. What's the other one? A lot of your processed chicken breasts. Those are loaded with a lot of other junk to it, including dextrose. And I stay away from dextrose. Dextrose is actually designed to, the purpose of dextrose is to raise your blood sugar. Doctors, hospitals use it when they give you IV. So it shouldn't be in food. I don't think so. But that's all there is to it. Add your salt, pepper, whatever you want to add to it to flavor it up. For me, I don't need to add anything to it. To me, it is perfect the way it is. And there is your chicken soup. Real easy. Y'all take care.